Hi, are you ready for Cocodona? Last time I did the test drive from Wildcat to here. This will be the turn off for the race. To that way, about 2 miles will be the church aid station. However, today I'm not going that way. I changed my plan. Today I'm going to pick up where I left and finish my project. All right, ready to go. Alligator juniper. This is my favorite rock. Maybe I could call it shark. So this part of the trail covered with pine needles. Moved to Flagstaff from Midwest. I know oak is not that common in this particular area. We have more ponderosa junipers than oak tree. If you saw some oak leaves on the trail, just enjoy it. When you see the pipeline trail sign here, I think the course would like to stay on the right hand side. Try to stay on the course until Trinity. I haven't got lost yet. Just want to say this part of the trail is very exposed during the day. This is probably the only relatively rocky part after you get off Fatman. The pipeline trail, Alden Grave site, not going that way. Alden Spring go back down that way. So we are, let me see, take the right one. So 1, 2, 3, the right one on the fork. Another easy way to know you're staying on the course is being on the trail next to those boulders. I think so. We almost get to the church. I could see the parking lot from here. Aravaipa usually does a really good job. Mark, just follow the trail sign. Once you hit the pavement, we will go all the way to the other side of the parking lot. All right, welcome to the aid station. This is the stairs to the building. All right, let me put this down. 20 by 20 tent on the left side. Have all the tables and food there. Trash can. And the toilet will be here on this side. It will have a power cord, extension cord. Use the outline on building. That's awesome. I was thinking we will need a generator at first. The course continue that way. The course going there. Oh no. High pressure gas line, private property. I don't want to do the test drive in private property. Maybe during the course it will be opened up, but I'm trying to find some alternative right now. So I'm off the course a little bit, right? But I know off route 100 feet. I don't want to get into that area. I'm gonna go this way. Going this trail, it could still back on the other gate of that pipeline fenced area. No trespassing. That's what decided right now. Maybe during the race day they will have an agreement, like runner coming from that way. I have no idea. So this turn is pretty simple. That one is a single track. This is a jeep road or a wider road. Okay. I think that's Agassi. I know the blue sky is so lovely. Right after a big, good downhill, you will see the structures and then turn left from there and here all the way to Buffalo. After that good downhill before turning to Buffalo Park, we just did this, a great uphill. Look, there's a new built biking trail happened this year. The race course is keep going straight forward on this rock. Here is the junction. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about the city built a new trail connect to the pipeline, but